happen when you do it, the bed will be there. See, on that bed it is very easy to put a mulching sheet so that your grass will not come. Grass growth will not come. Otherwise maintenance is a huge cost.
But the grass also helps sand dune.
No. What will happen means the plant will survive first on primary host, that is red gram or alternantha. Then it has intermediate host. You have seen sesbania. We have grown it and we are cutting it, and after 2-3 years we will cut it back.
Agati, sir? That's Sesbania.
Sesbania.
Agati, okay.
And then it will take support next to mango. So mango, it is a long term. In this place we have kept mango in why means the has a host plant means because mango will also give some income. It generates some income. It's recurring cost. The design itself is actually it's a hands-free design. We have put a drip system, isn't it? Up to 7 years or 8 years, sandwood needs water. Till that you can give water. After 7th year, if you want to stop irrigation for this thing, I can stop. I can close the irrigation. Mango, it will grow. So for mango also you get some income. So your maintenance will take care. It is depending upon the purpose. Because they have asked me purpose, and I design land basically. I design the entire land on the paper. After design concept has come, everything will come, cost investing, everything come. Then I implement the plan into the field, isn't it? Then only it can be done. And then the drip is also designed in such a way that keeping long-term view, isn't it? Because we want also take the fruits of mango. It has been linked to fertigation, isn't it? For 100 acres, fertigation you have to go for that machine so that it will be easy. Otherwise, you have seen that big plot. Planting is easy, but if I have to maintain it every day, some labor will not be available. No, you will not get labor.
No, that's impossible.
Impossible. If that big farm, they are extending it to 200 acres. You can't even imagine to make it with human manpower. Labor means so that the mulching sheet it will take care of 2 to 3 months, 3 years of weeding. After that, your trees will grow. They will become shade. Weed will not come in. It has been planted on north-south direction so that east-west sun will be there. It is design concept. When I see the land, I take the land picture, I see the north-south direction, everything design concept is like you want to construct a building, beautiful building, then you have to take all walls to east and everything you put in a paper. Then only that's how the concept is. Isn't it? So with that aim only, the distance between the rows, I have put at 12 feet so that a small tractor will go. My purpose is to spray tractor. Okay. In maintenance, monthly one spray I have to spray, not more than one. I'll reduce the sprays.
So what spray is being done, sir?
For mango, there are different sprays.
Okay.
For sandalwood, the sandalwood sir will tell that what are the sprays. He's expert. So we carry out only those sprays. Suppose if I have to spray, for suppose neem oil to mango, to sandalwood, most of the time, sir suggests neem oil to mango spray. I mean sandalwood spray. Then my tractor should go easily, and then I can mechanize it with a small tanker. I can just go on spraying to the. It will be easy. Otherwise, large area you cannot. It all depends upon the purpose. Let me tell you. I do not know what is your purpose, but here it has done in a layout model. You see, they have first done the layout, on the superimposing on the layout. We have done all these things. So that each block I have all the. Like for example, it is monitoring also. I have done it using all the what we call online methods. I know each and every plant where it is. Isn't it? Otherwise, this big farm, how can I manage? If some plant died, that's it right now. I should act immediately. I should put the plant immediately. It happens, no? So those. First of all, my mortality rate is less because drip is there, system is there, everything I have put, the mortality will not be there. When the depth is not there, the plant growth will be there. I will ensure that all the sandwood plants are growing, not every single plant. If for suppose 1 or 2 plants are growing, immediately we will shift it. So I have a mechanism of monitoring it. Suppose the powdery mildew has come, Sir has visited and then he has suggested some technically. So my people will be watching where the powdery mildew comes. Take a photograph. How many are there? You can take action immediately. So it is the speed with which you act to take care of the plants. Basically. So this design and system will allow you to act fast and then growth fast. Some of the farms are also doing here also they have planted. But if you don't take proper designing is not there, proper care is not there, then the growth will not be there.
True, perfectly true, sir. What you are telling is true.
See, when you're managing very big farms, no, then your design concept is very important. The design itself is very important. And then I will show you some of the pictures, and then like the technology is there. Like I'm not only for the sandalwood, I do all food crops. Okay. Now you can see the plants here. How neat they are,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
They are raised bed. Maybe I have not put the mulch. Here the purpose is different. Here the water is less. Depending upon the function of the land, I will design it. Water is less, then it acts as a water harvesting. This is Sitafal. Okay.
So only this is apple custard and
Everything. I'll show you. This is custard apple. You see the drip is there, fertigation is there. So no human intervention. No human intervention. Per acre 550 plants. Isn't it? So this is how no grass, nothing. See, with only 4 people I can manage. The fruit growth will be good. This is how? Fig.
fig.
Fig. That is custard apple. This is fig. This is fig, you see. So we know the pruning technology. We have, see, this is mango. Mango also I have put like this. 5 feet mango. Same, you will see that growth also will be same like that.
This also helps in penetrating the rainwater.
Yes. The technologies are that. We are improving. You see, all like a. This is only first of its kind in India.
First of its kind.
India. You know raised bed mango itna density. You will not see anywhere in India mango at this density.
At the distance. It's a high density.
Ultra high density.
Ultra high density.
Ultra.
Growth is good. It's uniform also.
Uniform. Perfectly. This is a bigger one.
What variety it is?
Banganpalli. So we've been managing these things for the past 5 years. I have implemented in sandalwood also.
Okay.
I have experience of growing all fruit plants. You tell me any fruit plant we can grow at a very high density using technology and then using less maintenance. So ultimately when your area is bigger, the issues comes with you go on because your expenses like